Girl. I am so late. Ha ha ha. I hope I'm not too late. Like I'll reach like 7:15 or like 7:20. So I hope I won't be so late. See you when I'm at Bishan to meet Zafira. Okay, let's go. Woo. Yeah, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Excited? I'm so excited. I think I hear me. I think can. Oh, they're using the facility to do it. Oh, he said free of charge. Yeah. My friends, we just saw a lot of chickens. Chicken! Oh my god, can you hear that? Yeah. Okay, how do we go in? Open your app. Open my app. Go. I'm so excited. Ooh. Get it. Get it. Lounge. Lounge, right? Lounge. What's like? Oh, why is spelling like? Okay, what are you gonna do? It's so funny. He's trying to change the color, but it doesn't work. Where is my purple? Where is my blue? Excuse me. Why is it serious? I don't know. Eh. Hey, got this one. Can you use this? Okay. Yeah. Okay, we stretch this. Okay. Okay. Follow me. Yeah. Let's do. Yes. Yes. I'm not. Okay. Let's go. 1. Must on music my piece. Why? I cannot choose my song I thought you choose one. Play by phone yo. That's so lame. Beautiful. I don't care for you.
Begin at 6 a.m. UK time. Join us then for all the best electronic concerts ever. Character. Facebook and Twitter.
Is it too high, Brenda? Huh? Why? Is it too high? If I'm gonna squat like that. No. Pick the smaller one. The left medium. Where is it? Why is this so like spongy? Oh wait, you can move it. I'm gonna need that. We're going on a trip in a favorite rocket ship. I only got 3 minutes left to film. Mom, let's go, Miranda. Oh, I almost. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Let's go, Dafira. I'm like, I thought let's go right now. Yes. Come on, come on. You. I got. Then just cut. Yes. It's fun. Got it. I caught it. You want it to be in the vlog? Okay. I broke my specs.
To move your mind, body and soul. This is Dance UK.
Girl.
Later, much later, much later, much later.
Much later, that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Update, guys. She did it! She got the video. I'll show you guys later. Looks like me. Looks like me. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Yeah, it's okay. Can go back on. So this is the situation right now. She's gonna do some DIY. Yes. Oh my god. Let's see if it works. Where's the red end? Oh my god, I'm so scared. Oh my god, it's right there. Ow! What? The red end. I scared it to follow me. Don't follow me, please. Thank you. Miranda at work. I have two situations right now. This red end and this what? Adventure and try to fix a spectacle. Yes. Everyone in the comments root for Miranda to fix her specs on the way for her to wear on the way home. We think it's coming off. And we're gonna come back when she fixes it. And the reveal! Ta-da! Sexy! Is it legit? Like, is it literally? Or is it not? Don't! Look at it! Okay, you better wear. You better wear. Just wear. Just wear. Oh my. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Creative concept. Whoa! Holy shit. Holy shit. Ta-da! It's like an obstacle. Oh my god. My keychain. It's so cute. I cannot. Oh my god, Miranda. Like I said, you were marvelous, spectacular. You got it now?
Flashback.
Morenzi, you are marvelous. No, you are spectacular. Yeah, it came out. Oh, hell. I jinxed it. Okay, I should shut up. I should not say a word. Until it actually really... Okay, I should shut up.
End of flashback. Few moments later.
Morenzi is going survival mode. She's using my key to cut the string. Let's get it. Oh, basically what happened was she actually she made her specs fall down, and then it got detached again. And then now she has to do everything again.
It was at this moment that he knew.
I messed up.
Oh my god. Don't show me. Don't show me. I don't want to see. Never mind. No, you be careful. Got it? Yay, bye bye flu. If only got scissors can cut the excess weight. You want to put? I don't want it. Miranda, are you seriously? It's out there. Cannot twist it in. Whatever. Alright. Let's go. Oh, there you go. Yeah. It's like a ribbon, you know. It's like a ribbon, like a knot.
Oh my god. It's like holding on to one simple knot.
It's okay.
And it's very loose. So
It's
I'm
okay
just-
because you just hope it won't pop off lah. Yeah, at least you can see.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna eat where?
You want to go back Bishan MRT?
Yeah.
Okay. This is my first time holding a tripod in the middle.
She
Oh,
looking
nowhere.
professional.
Okay, so you said your session was a starting point.
Yes, my session was the starting point because it's been a while since I worked out lah. Usually I work out at home, but like I stopped for like how many months already. And then shout out to Miranda
Yay.
for bringing me. But I feel like gympod is nice because you get your privacy.
Yeah.
But it's like a rush.
yeah.
When you work out, it's rushing, so it's like not that.
It's like every minute is like
Like every minute is your money, you know.
Yeah.
And then like if you work out and then you rush, macam it's not the best feeling lah.
true.
Like rather just relax and take
Yeah.
your time.
Go at your own pace.
Yeah.
We ordered 4 fingers. I ordered the breakfast, spicy kimchi bowl combo. Spicy kimchi bowl combo. And we ordered the Ola
Mexican sausage roll.
We're the first customer. Yeah, man. The rice so little, oh my god.
No, it's not even rice.
Maybe this is why no one is here for breakfast. Like literally, there's no one.
Very weird, huh?
Oh, McDonald's.
Hell. 4 fingers? This is what you did.
Ooh, tamago. Why you more expensive than Don Don Donki? Sakura.
I got my Oreo and some milky.
You gonna make your chocolate shake again?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get milk.
With the beef shake.
I a bit lost. What milk is good?
Okay. Alright.
Papaya is like a chewy type of rice.
Seriously? Why have I not heard of it?
Nice though. Oh, I got this for Clever Guide. It was quite nice.
It's like,
Yeah. I like the soy milk because I prefer soy milk generally. I like this also.
girl, show your audience, girl.
I forget about this. And this. Hey, Gel?
Yeah, it's gel.
You want to say hi to the camera again?
It's alive. I mean, there's more stories now.
Today, Zafira saw how indecisive I could be.
No, you're always indecisive.
We are at Best Denki now. We are here. We are at a loss because we don't know where we should go. Singapore is just this big, but it's so small. Unless we want to go like some cafe and chill.
I'm so sweaty.
No lah.
Ew.
vanilla, cold brew, vanilla bean, oat milk latte. It was
450, yeah?
50% off regular, so I just bought it to try.
50% off what?
Regular. Yeah, it's nice. I can't even like taste like it's like oat milk. It's very nice, honestly. I like new design. Like keychains, yeah. Bye bye. Where's the camera? Oh.